Back at it again. See? Issues need to be taken care of. Said I was gonna do some maintenance. Long overdue. So we getting ready to take care of her. New distributor cap and rotor. Y'all can see it was sitting on top of the wagon. So distributor cap, rotor. I'm gonna go. I already marked. See, it's always some people that ain't got no business. Pulling up in my shit. See, he too low to be in here. That's why he ain't got no business. Back your ass up. Get your ass out my damn driveway. Ow! Yeah, turn your wheel, turn your wheel. There you go. Now get the fuck on. It's your boy C-Lo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video. Out here today getting ready to do some work on the truck. My homeboy stopped past. They coming to get the kittens. The kittens is leaving today, y'all. So, not all of them. 2 of them is leaving. So, yeah. Don't forget the spark plug puller. You got it in your pocket? You got it in your pocket?
That would be my keys in my pocket.
Oh, yeah.
I told him, I swear I showed him.
I know you told him. I know you did, Van. I know you did.
What the fuck was that? You're usually the one speeding around, and I hit 60, and you fucking
I got
didn't?
these two with me.
Uh-oh.
I got precious
Hello. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing?
going.
I've gone 110 down the interstate with my precious cargo.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Yeah.
Hey, little lady. Everybody stop past for a minute. Yeah, my spark plug puller ain't got the rubber piece inside of it no more. And I know yours did.
Yep. It's
And it's not in here. Just my luck, y'all. Just my luck. Just my luck.
So what you do?
I know, put a piece of tape down in there.
Just use your spark plug puller, and then just take the fucking plug or the wire, stick it back down on the spark plug, and pull it out.
You're right.
Yeah. I know I'm right.
He's right. I don't even know why I wasn't thinking like that. You know what I mean?
I'm always
But
right.
yeah, not always. But yeah, he right.
90% of the time.
We gonna give him 75. You know, goddamn it, it's like an auction. Goddamn it.
Did you take your wiring?
What? I changed out the spark, the relay. Put the new relay in. I done popped this, you know, the bolt, that the ground and shit. I popped that off.
Does it still shut off on you?
Nope. I sanded it down, cleaned them up to where they fresh again. As you can see, let me see if I get in there and get it. Got that open for you. Yeah, cleaned up in there and shit. Cleaned all down in there. Made them all nice and fresh. Popped this side on it.
Yeah, sir. I gotta send you these videos that I found.
Oh, you got video?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Of what the fucking car's gonna sound like with that blow off.
With the blow off? Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? He got something coming for Small Town Outcast. Y'all better remember. So check out the videos. He coming. It's just a little chilly outside. Ain't really much to do. So
My ass is way too lazy to be uploading videos in the winter.
y'all see my fingers? All right. See, I popped that off. Then I popped this open and cleaned it back to show enough to where it gets good ground and shit and got all the dirt and the gook and everything that was in there out of it.
You know what helps with not having all that dirt and gook up in there?
Off-roading.
Yeah.
But honestly, it wasn't no mud in there, so that was good. It was just more so, you know, the truck is 2002, so it's a little rusty down in there. right on around half of the terminal. So I scraped all the rust off of it, bottom, and got all the corrosion that was underneath of that shit. And then I cleaned these up, cleaned my terminals up, put the new fuse cap in it.
Fucking vinyl machine hooked up yet?
No, I ain't got that far yet. We ain't hooked up the vinyl stuff back up yet. The machine and everything to do all the cutting.
Fuck, bro.
Hey, look, we still getting in and getting situated. And now I gotta be able to make it to this competition on Saturday. So therefore, you know, doing some maintenance. Being as though I've been running. So I already marked my cap and everything. So therefore, now I was gonna go under here and mark all the wires for 1, 8, 4, 3, 5.
Where's the competition
6, 7, and 2. So I know all the orders, but
yeah.
I made sure that I marked these.
Hey!
So.
No,
not while the cars are there.
do not be throwing any fucking rocks over by mine or your mom's car. No.
You can come right here and throw some rocks if that's what y'all gonna do. But don't throw them over top of the cars. Y'all gonna hit their car. I'm glad I'm over here. My car's over here, their car's over there.
Where's the competition at?
Ah, boy, I'm bad.
I'm gonna go ask your wife because I need to know where I'm gonna be at to go.
Make sure y'all mark y'all stuff so that way y'all know exactly where it's supposed to go. So I was gonna go on, getting ready to get under there, mark them. That way my wires will be marked too. So that way I can just pop them off and shit. And I ain't gotta worry about, oh, this one, damn it. Nope, I'm gonna mark all my top of my wires.
You got another one?
No, that's the same one. I ain't did it yet.
I didn't know you bought one for this.
Yeah. Remember? Remember, I had credit at AutoZone. That was free. You understand? That's why when you purchase stuff at AutoZone, they tend to let you get shit for free after a while.
I'm gonna go ask your wife where this competition is. That way I know how far I gotta drive when your ass breaks down again.
It's 45 minutes.
Well, at least I know it's gonna be wasting a little bit of gas.
Yeah, it's 45 minutes away, and it's at 10 o'clock in the morning. So.
Oh, God damn it.
Yeah. But everything, I'm getting ready to tighten everything up. I told you she been long overdue, been neglecting because of all this moving. So I'm taking care of everything now. So you shouldn't have to come get her, brother. I already went to Pittsburgh without you having to come get me.
Would that be the time that I went and bought that car and you locked your keys in the truck?
That was, yeah, I locked my keys in the truck. But yeah, you had to come get me though. Hey boy, I'm from the hood. I know how to break in this shit. Hey, I had to do what I had to do to get in my car. You know what I mean? Hey, if you know, you know. If you don't, you better call a locksmith. But yeah, y'all see it's dirty down in here, boy. We got to give her a good cleaning. It's time for another paint job. But yeah, I got to climb up here on this truck and get everything situated. I just want to mark them right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to be warm. So it's supposed to be like in the 55, 58 or something like that. So tomorrow I'm going to get out here, get up on top of the truck. Then I'm going to change the distributor cap and everything. Right now I just want to go ahead and just mark them. So that way they'll be marked and I ain't got to go through a whole bunch of trying to figure out which wire was which. So my wires will be marked and the distributor cap to be marked. So y'all give me a minute and stay tuned. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Got a lot going on. Nothing but up. As this camera should sit up. Oh, I need my flathead. Give me a second. I gotta grab my flathead. Tall, but I ain't that tall. My son did bring my steps. We got my little ladder. Sometimes you got to have a little ladder. There we go. Alright. Just disconnect that. And make sure I can see. Alright, I see my boat. Let's see if I got my marker. One of these pockets. Oh man. I done got up here and I ain't got my marker. I don't know how I did that. I lost my markers, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut and come back. Alright, y'all. Now, my homeboy stopped past and I ended up losing my red pen. My paint pen. So guess what? I had to go steal my wife's paint pen. Just so I can mark these lines. Let's go ahead. These hoses. So we'll mark these the way they're supposed to be. This one is 6. Okay. The next one is 3. Which one is that? Yeah. Uh-oh, y'all. I fucked up. I messed up. Ooh. I was too far. Yeah, I was right. I was about to say I messed up. Okay. Yep. Then we got 5. Number 5. Then we have number 3. Alright. And number 3 is number 4. And number 8. That's 8. Yeah. 3, 4, 8, and 1. Those are the ones I was able to mark. So that way I can come out here tomorrow and pop them. Like I say, whew. You can mark them. It already marked that number 1 right there, y'all. And then I just went on and did the red for 8. 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, and 7, and 2. So once again, just a little insight on an easy way to remember where everyone's supposed to go. So that was my job right now. I could knock it out, but I'm getting ready to actually go in the house to eat dinner. So I ain't gonna fool with it till tomorrow. I don't have nowhere to go. I don't have nothing to do. So Getting ready to go eat some dinner. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.